I finally installed the DIY bullet feeder. Seems to be working. Just need to get a limit switch. I know a lot of the guys have used a light or proximity switch, but it's too big and bulky. So I'm just going to stick with the standard limit switch. Let's see if I switch it on, see if I can make it work for you guys. Yeah, it seems to be working. And then if I engage the unit to drop the bullets, just remember all of this just 3D printed. I think this did pretty well. All I need now is that limit switch and to tidy up the wiring. That's it, guys. Good luck if you want a copy, or just print from most of it from Thingiverse.